Mmm. Wow. Whoa. Ow. Ow. Ow.
That's the problem.
Ow. Ow. Oh, wow.
TikTok?
Oh, wow. Oh, my Jesus. Oh, boy. Oh, my God. Oh, my God.
So tell us, like, what exactly happened with your ankle? I saw you were in a boot.
Does my back feel weird or normal?
Feels weirdly normal.
Really?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
I know.
During a match 2 weeks before Shayna and Nia targeted me and assaulted me.
Viciously assaulted?
Yes, viciously assaulted. I kept wrestling on the first time I twisted my ankle for like... Oh my God. Wow.
Yes, big deep breath and blow it all the way out.
Oh my God. Oh
Woosa, woosa, woosa. So you guys are based out of Tampa now instead of Orlando, yeah?
Yeah.
How's that?
That's insane. Yes, Tropicana. Yes, it's indoors. It's huge. It's like, it feels like WrestleMania there.
Does that create a coliseum and then feed people to lions?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
Don't tell anyone.
Do as the rose do. Hey, I'm with it.
Probably do.
Not that I'm watching and judging everybody's posture at all times.
Oh. Yeah, then that's what I do. I didn't even know I did that.
No, my elbow is not that cold. It's cool. I have a cool elbow, but it's not that cold. If it was cold, it would be the people's elbow.
Wow.
Yeah, right there. Just relax.
Dr. Carlos Gamera back in the house.
Wow. That's a hammer.
Famous.
Yeah, actually.
Gonna get some more butt hammering, I think. Ooh, the QF is tight.
Wow.
Yeah, we did butt hammer Bobbly, didn't we?
I think we saw you in Shannon, right?
Right.
And
So just
full time again, and I have in 2020. Whoa! Ow! Ow!
Okay, raise that leg up again.
I don't think you guys used the hammer last time.
Oh, we did. This one goes there. Straight pretzel mode. There we go. There we go.
Oh,
And go face up. So give yourself a big hug. We're gonna sit you up just a little. So we're gonna go right there. And back across. Good.
wow!
There. Good.
Oh, wow!
We're gonna bring you to there. Drop your right shoulder.
Mmm. Wow.
All right, gonna go to there. Drop your right shoulder.
Mmm. Mmm. That was awesome.
Nice.
Wow. Mm. Oh! Yeah.
Yeah.
Took literally your words away.
Yeah, exactly. Pretty good. Which ankle is it?
The one that's a little bit more swollen, which is my left. When you see it, you'll see. When you're pushing behind it, I definitely feel it, but
That's it. Oh yeah, that's it. It feels...
So, high ankle sprains are worse than not high ankle sprains. I mean, it's definitely better. Oh, God.
And back.
Oh, my God.
And back.
Am I supposed to, like, straighten it?
If you can.
Oh, God. Okay. Oh, my God. Oh my God. Ow.
So get on GameStop.
Oh my God. Did I get him a GameStop?
Did you buy GameStop stock before it took off?
Oh no. No, I don't have no
Is
stocks.
that day trading?
I have no stock. I don't even. What is the GameStop? Ow.
Right there. There it is.
Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow. That's so crazy.
Lean your upper body to the left. And again. And center. And again.
Hurts so much.
And back to me. And again. Good. Okay, come on here. Your left again.
Oh my gosh.
There it is.
Ow.
That's the problem.
Ow.
Lean to the left. Back to the center.
Ow. I was gonna ask you, is it maybe have to do with my hip?
Back to center.
Wow.
Back to center. And again. There we go. All right. Now see how that feels. Maybe.
I mean,
Can't help.
yeah.
Definitely can't help.
Yeah.
Do a little more here. To the left. Again. That's not too shabby.
It's definitely not nearly as much pain. But I feel like if I don't do it to the other side, I always feel a little lopsided.
So kind of odd. Both hands here.
This way? Oh my god. Oh my god. Hold up. Oh wow.
Go sassy like that.
Sassy.
Pull, 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 pull. Okay.
God, I wasn't ready for that.
Pull it over back.
And oh god.
In Nia Jax, you're not also allowed to watch. Pull back with the elbow. There you go.
Oh wow. That was insane.
There we go.